Hello, this is Dr. Shane Arnold with Airrosti. We're coming to you today to offer some tips for those of you who like gardening or working in the yard. We want to try to help prevent the aches and pains that are commonly associated with these activities so that you can do them pain-free. When patients come to our offices with injuries or pain associated with gardening and yard work, it's often because of two different things. The first is holding the same position for long periods of time. We call this sustained postural stress. The other is related to poor lifting mechanics. So here's some tips to help prevent those things from happening. If you're like me, you're going to see a job that needs to be done and you're going to keep going at it until it's done. The problem is that you hold the same position for long periods of time, 10 minutes, maybe more. If we compare that to stretching, we never hold a stretch more than just a couple of minutes. As we hold that stretch for too long, or we sustain that position for too long, that's when pain and tightness and inflammation start to kick in. So change your position. Set a timer if you need to. Do something different to get out of that position while you continue the activity. For this next tip, let's talk about lifting. What you don't want to do is bend, lift, twist, and then set it down. That puts a lot of stress on the muscles and the discs in the low back. Instead, square up, bend your knees, lift with your legs while keeping the back straight, carry it to where you need to, then set it down. This puts you in a much safer position and helps prevent those injuries. So for the next tip, let's talk about warming up and cooling down, often the same type of activities. What we want to focus on here is getting the muscles to loosen up and getting the joints to start to move just a little bit better. We can use the same activities and often the same tools that we're using for gardening and for yard work. In this case, we're going to use a shovel. All you're going to do is take the shovel, place it behind yourself like this, and then we're just going to do some simple rotations. This helps to stretch the muscles of the low back and get the spinal joints to loosen up. Do 10 to 15 of these on each side, and you're done. For the next tip, be aware of your body positioning. When you're, for example, trying to weed, don't lean out, bend over, and reach. That's when you're more likely to be injured. Instead, sit on a pad, use a bucket. Put yourself in a position where there's going to be much less stress as you do the work that needs to be done. We hope these tips were helpful. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see on the next video. See you next time.